You have to excuse my microscope camera quality. It's pretty poor. I need to get a new camera. But this is a board that's directly off the pick and place machine. I have not touched any component on here. So it's the bottom left. It's probably not the best pasting I've ever done, as you'll see. It was slightly out on the pasting, but that's okay. So I'll just do a quick scan of the board just to show you. As you can see, it's pretty good. There are a couple of parts that are a bit wobbly. Some of these little fets come in a bit wonky sometimes. That's more to do with the pickup position than it is for anything else. But as you can see, it's pretty good. There are probably some parts I can tweak a bit more. The problem with the tweaking of the parts is you tweak it on a particular board, but then the nuances that made that part shift a little bit might not be there for the second board. Here's an example of the LDO, which I have to place without vision. Sometimes it goes in okay, sometimes it doesn't. Most of the time it's pretty good. But as you can see, I mean, look at that pasting. That is shocking pasting. I didn't even really get enough paste on those pads. I was rushing this morning to try to get a video that I could show you all. That cap doesn't have enough paste on it. I'll fix that afterwards, that's fine. That was just me rushing. Nothing to do with the Charm High, just lazy pasting. So you can see the LDO is being shifted on that one, that it's off to the left. It'll right itself during reflow, and you can see here that that cap is to the right, where the ones before were fine. There's still a slight bit of movement, but on a panel like this I don't have to touch up any components at all. And then some panels I might have to just push the cap. Okay, here we go, this cap here, I could probably push that, but I think that'll end up reflowing okay. If not, I'll fix it afterwards. But there you go, that's the 15 boards on the panel, and the placement's great. I'm pretty happy with that. That board will reflow perfectly, except for that maybe that one cap just there I might have to fix. So that's the results I'm getting from the pick and place machine. Can't remember who it was that asked, but I thought I'd share this with you all. Catch you later, bye.